In this video, I'll show you how to download the image files created during the LCO project and how to uncompress them. The process I'm describing here is Windows based, but there will be something similar for whatever platform you're working on. The software you'll need to uncompress the files is funpack, and that's part of the fpack library. There's a link to it, and we'll only be downloading image files that have already been calibrated, so you don't have to go through that process yourself. Visit the LCO observation portal and log in using the details you registered before. Click on the Manage Proposals link in the header and choose the Hoyes proposal. Click on the View Data on the LCO Science Archive button. Change the number of rows displayed to be 1000, and it's very helpful if you sort the files by filter, so click on the arrow in the filter header. So downloading the files, we're going to do it for the V filter first of all. You can see on the right hand side some of the files are raw and some are reduced. We're only going to use the reduced files. So select them in the left hand boxes, choose as many as you want to download. It's also worth checking the preview images with each file so that you don't download any bad data. Some of the images were taken during cloudy times and some might be too noisy to use. Once you've selected the ones you want to download, click on Download using the zip archive. Do the same for the B and the RP filters. And if you keep the image files for the filters in separate folders, that will help. Extract the downloaded zip archive files into those folders. These files are in a .fits.fz compressed format. We need to convert these to .fits files, so we'll need to uncompress them. To do that, we copy all the files from the fpack software into the folder for each filter. Then we need to run a Windows command shell. That's usually done by typing command cmd into the Windows search bar. Then we'll use a few commands. CD to change the folder. dir shows the files in each folder. So CD to the vFilter folder, have a look at the files, and there you can see them. To uncompress the files, type funpacker.bat, and that may take a little time, and once that's done, the .fz files will be replaced with uncompressed.fits files. And you will see that the files go from about 14 megabyte to 56 megabytes. So you need to make sure you've got enough disk space for that. Once you've done that, remove the funpack files and do the same process for the B and the RP filters as well. These images are now ready to use. So that's the end of this video. The next video in the series will be about using those files to create color images.